Hey guys, Ryan here from Ernie Deans. I'm going to be giving you a video walkthrough on this 2020 High Country. And the reason that I'm going to be doing this video is because this was my truck. This was my demo. I know this truck inside and out. I'm super happy to show you guys some of the features. So this 2020 High Country has 8,200 kilometers on it. It is a demo, so OMVIC does consider this a used truck. However, it will apply for all of GM's incentives, including 0% financing. It is the High Country Deluxe Package, which gives you a ton of options. It gives you these 22-inch aluminum wheels. It does have the power retractable steps. I also put a Rev hard folding tonneau cover on this truck, which is a really nice tonneau cover, easy to take back. You don't have to worry about having somebody with you to do this. It does have the power liftgate. You can only get the power liftgate on the Chevrolet. You cannot get it on the GMC. Comes with an awesome chrome dual exhaust. That is factory. Spray and bed liner. If you can see it, it does come with the, as you can see, it has the High Country badging. So we do have a power feature here where the tailgate will go up on its own. Rear park assist, towing, of course. It's got these big, huge corner steps. Super easy to get up in the truck. With the High Country Deluxe Package, you're going to get the safety package, which is forward collision alert, lane keep assist. So if you do happen to go over that yellow line, it's going to give you a little nudge and let you know that you're starting to veer off. It has IntelliBeam headlamps, follow distance indicator. Another thing I love about this truck is it does have adaptive cruise control. If you've never driven a truck with adaptive cruise control, it's an amazing feature. Pretend you're driving down the 401 and you're doing 110. Somebody goes in front of you, it automatically will slow down. It will sense when that driver is in the other lane and it's free to go back to the speed that you had set. It's just an awesome feature. Another thing about the High Country, a lot of people don't know, is you have these kind of bronze inserts in the grille, which really stand out and they look awesome. It does have the black badge. It does have the High Country right in the grille. Sweet chrome tow hooks. This one is equipped with the 5.3 and the 10-speed transmission. And I'll take you guys inside. So it is a black interior. The High Country does come in a couple different interiors. I really do like the black. It has the wood grain on the door. Bose sound system. All your four-wheel drive controls are right here on the left. With the High Country Deluxe, you also get the GM floor liners, front and back. Another cool feature that came out on the new style truck is this little storage compartment tucked away. It also does have heated seats in the back. Your passengers will absolutely love it. And you do have vents and USB right there. There's a lot of room in the new style truck. When I say new style, I mean 2019 and above. They did add 3 inches to the back, so your passengers will absolutely love sitting back there. This truck also comes equipped with the technology package, and the technology package is something that once you've had it in your truck, you won't be able to do without it. One of the coolest features is the HD camera. So there's your regular mirror. Flip it on, you have an HD camera, so it doesn't matter if you have passengers in the back that are obstructing the view. It looks really, really cool at night. I use that all the time. Also, you're not going to be able to see it on this sunny day, but it does have heads-up display. So with the heads-up display, you can program it, and you can display your speed, direction. It's really hard to see, but trust me, it is a super cool feature. Also, with the tech package, this is going to give you your 360 degree cameras. So there's a ton of different views. It's kind of nice to have the front camera. Once you start driving it to about 10-15 kilometers, that does turn off. Push button start, of course. Heated and cooled seats. Wireless charging. I use that feature all the time. And then it also has heated steering wheel. So I hope that video gave you a bit of a tour of this vehicle. It has 8,200 kilometers on it. There's still lots of warranty left on it. There's some amazing deals. We're looking to make a deal on this demo. You can just submit your information to the right, or you can use our chat operator. Again, I'm Ryan Thompson, General Manager. I absolutely love this high country. I know that you're gonna love it. If you want to arrange a test drive, let us know.